Hello everyone. This is another video about MCP server with OpenAI Agents SDK. Let's dive into the code first, and I'll mention a couple of things later. I start with this stdio. I'm using the prompt to start my own server and call this run function. So within this run function, I am creating a simple agent called assistant, answer questions about the Git repository as we're using this MCP server Git. For this demo, passing the server to the list, and the question is, what is the total number of commits in this repository? Let's take a run first. Okay, says the report have a total number of 10 commits. So I want to mention about this prompt here. If you watched my previous video, we're connecting to a remote server. This time we're hosting ourselves. If you look at those tutorial about how to use MCP, you're seeing something like npx, Docker, or the UV. In my case, I already have a dev container environment, and I don't want to use npx or UV for that. So I was thinking, hey, uh, the idea here, the nature of MCP server is to start a server in your local. Why can't I just install this package, MCP server package, and start myself, and it works? And so that means the guess is right. Uh, the idea here is to say for the MCP server communication between LLM and your local application, you have your host. In this case, it's our machine, and you have your client. In this case, it's our code, Python code, and then you need to have a server at some point. We want to start our server locally. We want to give LLM all the tools that available. LLM make the decision, hey, what tool can be used, and send back the instruction. We call those tools, get the result, send back to the LLM. LLM make the judgment and send back the result. This is the entire flow. Um, let's take a look at the trees. Okay, first, they start to send out all the list of tools that are available to the LLM, and they give this question, what is the total number of commits? And the LLM decide, hey, let's call this tool to get the result. So call the tool, and then finally get the result. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.